Hello everybody, my name is Rico and welcome to my channel English with Rico. Today I'm going to show you a brief introduction to the 12 tenses. What are they? And I'll show you some examples. Tenses are used to express an action and the time that that action occurred, which tells us when the verb was executed. And when we talk about tenses, we can be talking about the past, the present, or the future. Obviously, the past, when it's happened already, the present, it's happening right now, and the future, it has yet to happen, or it will happen. The best way to understand these 12 tenses are to break them up into two groups. We have 6 basic tenses and 6 advanced tenses. So without further ado, let's have a look to the whiteboard. So here we have the first 6 tenses that we have grouped into basic tenses. And we have present simple, past simple, future simple, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. And if we look at present simple, it says, I play football every week. And present continuous, we will add the ing. I'm playing football now. For past simple, we plus the ed on the verb. I played football yesterday. And for past continuous, we plus the was in front of the action word or verb. I was playing football the whole evening. And then for future simple, we add the word will in front of the verb. I will play football next week. And for future continuous, we plus be. I will be playing football next Sunday. Now let's look at the 6 advanced tenses. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. So if we look at present perfect, the example is, I have just played football. And present perfect continuous, I have been playing football for 3 hours. When we look at past perfect, we can say, I had played football before Mary came. And when it comes to past perfect continuous, I had been playing football when Mary came. Moving on to future perfect, I will have played football by tomorrow. And future perfect continuous, I will have been playing football for the whole day. In conclusion, tenses are one of the most important parts of the English language. If you wish to write something or say something to anyone, it has to be in the right tense format. I would like to say thank you for everybody for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Bye!